Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing how to insert multiple rows of data and also using a delete statement to delete data from a table or deleting rows of data from a table. This is video number 6, and in a previous video I've showed you briefly how to insert data into your table using the insert and values statement. And in this video we're going to actually insert multiple data into our student table. This is what it would look like when you're inserting rows of data into a table named student. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in the description area, so that way you can just copy it and paste it and run it. So in my case, this is actually, let me go over it. Use test, go insert into student, and then this is the data you wanted to populate. You want the table to have all these data inserted. So this is what we're going to do: insert into table, and into this, the table of student. And oh, actually, we're just gonna have to do insert into student, and then we have to put values. That's a good catch. Okay, values. Actually, I want it to look perfect. Well, let's do, this will do. Okay, so this is a value we wanted to insert into a student table. And so, okay, so we're inserting into student, and the values are the following. So these are the values. And when we run it, let's run it real quick. 5 rows. So we have 5 rows of data inserted into our table. So now we're going to delete rows of data from the table. To do that, we will have to write a delete statement. And the delete statement looks like this. The shell is like use test. Test is our database. And go delete from, and this will be our student table. So we'll just type in student. So now when we're deleting, we have to specify what we're deleting. So to make it easier for us, we'll have to write a select statement. Select all from student. So that way we can see what's in the student table and what can we delete. What data do we want to remove from this table? So by writing a select statement, we'll be able to see what's in here, so it's easier for us to write the where statement. So the where statement pretty much would have to state what we're removing or deleting from this table. So let's say we wanted to delete student ID, student with a student ID 1. So if we wanted to do that, our where statement will be student ID equals to 1, right? We wanted to remove John from this table, so we just have to put 1, and we will run it. Let's run this. And see, it just removed 1 row of data. So to verify that, let's go back here. This is our select statement. We're selecting everything from student table just to see what was removed. Since we're removing student 1, it shouldn't be there, right? So let's go find out. Execute. Okay, so it's gone. Now we successfully removed student ID 1, which was John, so that is removed. So this is how we remove data from a table. So I would end it here, and in the next video we're going to be covering how to add a new column and to modify and alter a column data type.